ਦੱਸੋ ਫਿਰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਅੱਜ?
ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਸੱਚਖੰਡ ਹਰਿਮੰਦਰ ਸਾਹਿਬ।
ਓਹੋ, ਕਿੰਨੀ ਦੇਰ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਗਏ ਹੋਏ?
ਯਾਦ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ, ਕਾਫੀ ਸਾਲ ਹੋ ਗਏ।
So the last time I went to the Golden Temple in Amritsar was about 4.5 years ago when I came with Elci. And Elci's from Brazil. So I was so keen to, and she was coming to India for the first time. I was so keen to show all the cool things in this part of India. So we went to Rajasthan, we went to Delhi, we went to Chandigarh, we went to Amritsar. It was a nice trip, and I couldn't wait to go again with my mum. And so here we are.
ਸਤਿ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਵੈਲਕਮ ਟੂ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤਸਰ।
ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ।
ਸਤਿ ਸ੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਜੀ।
ਆਓ ਮਾਮਾ, ਕਿਵੇਂ ਆ? ਚਲੋ ਆ ਜਾ। ਓ ਮਾਮਾ ਜੀ,
Oh, man, photo lane, serious one. And half.
ਓਕੇ
Ito tak, ito tak.
ਓਕੇ, ਇਹ ਵੀ ਦੇਖੋ ਨਾ, ਦੇਖੋ ਮਾਮਾ ਜੀ, ਪਾਠ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ?
हाँ जी, हो गया, हो गया.
Do you pray every morning?
Yes.
How many hours do you pray when you wake up?
पता जिन्ना वाहिगुरु करा दे,
ਫਿਰ ਵੀ ਅੰਦਾਜ਼ਾ?
जिन्ना वाहिगुरु करा दे.
ਫਿਰ ਵੀ ਅੰਦਾਜ਼ਾ?
चुप. अब जल जुल नहीं लाई आज, तो क्या करे?
ਉਹ ਕੋਈ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ।
चलो, हो गया.
ਮੈਂ ਸੈਟ ਪਰ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸੇ
ओके, मैंने लाया हुआ है.
ਇੱਕ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ। ਉਹ ਸਮਾਈਲ ਕਰੋ ਮਾਮਾ।
हाँ?
ਇਧਰ ਆ।
स्माइल नहीं करना, मैं मोटी मोटी एक साल नहीं है.
ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਮੋਨਾਲੀਜ਼ਾ ਸਮਾਈਲ
No,
ਸਮਾਈਲ ਕਰੋ
no,
ਨਾ।
no.
ਇੱਕ ਉੱਥੇ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਲਵ ਯੂ ਮਾਮਾ।
ना मैंने स्माइल नहीं करना.
ਓਕੇ ਨਾ ਕਰੋ। Give me a nice big smile.
Thank you.
Left mama. I know.
So today is day number 2 in Amritsar. Yesterday, Mom and I went to see the Golden Temple, and we had a very productive day. My mom is not so interested in leaving the hotel, so she's going to stay here and relax. I'm going to take the taxi, and then I'm going to take a scooter rickshaw, and I'm going to go investigate parts of Amritsar, you know, check out different things to eat, because I'm a foodie and there are lots of great things to eat here in Amritsar.
These alleys are like hundreds of years old.
Look at that old balcony. That's been around for a couple of 100 years. That's like a really old house. These streets and alleys are very, very old. They go back to where the city was initially founded. You can see just by looking at the houses and the architecture, this is dating back hundreds of years. So this brick is called Nanak Shahi.
नानक शाही
Nanak Shahi. कितनी पुरानी है?
बहुत 100 साल से भी ज़्यादा
Aja? 100 साल से, more than 100 years old. This brick. It's called Nanak Shahi. So this thing here, look at this. It's been around for more than 100 years. Look at that, 100 years, more than 100 years. Isn't that amazing? So you can't come to a historic city like Amritsar and not have food in a place like this that's been around for more than 100 years. Imagine that. And those are probably the guys, in fact they are, those are the guys that founded Kesar Dadaba more than 100 years ago. Look at that. आपको यहाँ काम करते कितने दिन हो गए?
हमको लगभग सर आपको हो गया 20-25 साल हो गए।
20-25 साल यहाँ काम करते हैं।
हाँ, छोटा था 10 साल का था।
बधाई होए।
यहाँ का कुक भी हूँ, कुकिंग भी करता हूँ।
क्या नाम क्या आपका?
वीरू।
आओ वीरू, खुश हुई आपको मिलके।
वीरू
This is historic Amritsar. Historic Amritsar. So this is why you're seeing this kind of stuff, which to me, frankly, is much more interesting than stuff that's modern, because I've lived in the United States for 35 years. Everything there is modern. There's none of this culture there. So lassi is a drink that's made of yogurt, water, salt or sugar, depending on your preference. In Amritsar, this place, Ahuja's Lassi, is the lassi place to be at. ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਲੱਸੀ ਮਸ਼ਹੂਰ? ਕੇਸਰ ਦੀ ਲੱਸੀ?
केसर लस्सी, मैंगो लस्सी, रेगुलर
ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਮਸ਼ਹੂਰ ਕਿਹੜੀ?
सारी टॉप है।
ਸਾਰੀਆਂ top।
टेस्ट देखो।
ਕੇਸਰ ਦੀ ਲੱਸੀ ਦੇ ਦਿਓ। So this store has been around since 1954. 1954. So it's about 75 years old. And that's his father right there. And he's sitting in the lap of his father right there in the last picture. And he's a fan of Rajneesh. To see Rajneesh the chale?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Osho. Everybody knows Osho, right? Wow. Oh my. This thing is absolutely to die for. I can see what they've been here for 75 years. And this is the place to come for lassi. Now there's only one way to drink, right? It's called bottoms up. In Punjabi we say chakte chutur. There you go, right? I mean, what's not to love about this, right? I feel alive. In India, I feel alive. In another country, there's nothing happening. Here, look at all this. Look at all this. I love it. So, you know, cows in India are considered to be a symbol of motherhood by the Hindus. So cows are always protected. You know, you'll find lots of cows running around. You know, people put their leftovers over here so they have something to eat. It's called a Gaumshala. This is where they actually feed cows, not just people, but even cows. So let's go take a look. So this gives you an idea of how special cows are to Hindus. They're fed and taken care of. And look, this is a huge area. So farmers who have excess crop, they bring it here and they donate it. And this is where then they have free food to feed to cows over here. Oh, look here. Hi there. Hi there. Hi there. How are you? Are you well taken care of? I believe so. All right. All right. Oh, look at that. Must be fun to be a cow around here. Ciao. So there's something called golgappas, which is these things right here. And I've come to this place specifically to eat golgappas, right? I'm going to share that with you. So golgappas or pani puri, it's basically a fried ball, and inside it you've got this spicy liquid with all kinds of things. And I haven't had one in probably 20 years maybe. So I've come especially to this place because they tell me this is the best one in Amritsar to have pani puri, right? Now, I forget how to do this, but you basically make a hole with your thumb, right? Then you put a little bit of this in there, you put a little bit of that in there, and you go to town. So let's see. All right, so this already has the hole in it, so let's give it a shot. All right? Now we put in a little bit of this. Okay. Then you put a little bit of this. Oh, and then you stick it in your mouth. Really good. So now we're gonna have Amritsari fish. There's a place called Makhan's Fishwala on Majitia Road in Amritsar. He has the best Amritsari fish, I've been told, and again his place has been around for a long time. So that's where we're headed right now. So this is Lawrence Road, and this is like a very posh area for people to live. Is the most famous place in Amritsar when it comes to fish, and I'm here for that exact reason, to try the fish. So अगर आप मुझे सजेस्ट करेंगे यहाँ मच्छी खाने के लिए, कौन सी आप सजेस्ट करेंगे?
बेस्ट को सिंघाड़ा भाई।
सिंघाड़ा? सो एक प्लेट हो जाए मेरे लिए। ओके।
लिया बहरा
So I'm not a big fan of fried fish because obviously it's not healthy to be eating this on a regular basis. But once in a while, not a big deal. I'm prepared to bend the rules a little bit. So I cannot wait to put my teeth into this and see what it tastes like. I hear it's really good. Thank you, sir. Oh, totally like it. Okay. I'm not a big fan of mayonnaise, so I'm just going to skip all that. Let's go to town. The most famous fried fish in Amritsar at a place called Makhan's. Really good.